So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create videos in Pictory AI. And right now, I'm currently in the landing page of Pictory, and basically I've just logged in. That's the only thing I did here. And you'll be arriving on this landing page where there are 4 tools to choose from. First is script to video, second is article to video, of course third is edit video using text, and lastly, visuals to video. So for this specific tutorial, we're gonna go with the first one. We're gonna focus with script to video, and with this one, simply click on this button that says proceed. Once you click on this one, you'll arrive on this landing page where Pictory will ask for a script. So if you don't have a script ready on your end right here, you can just copy mine. I'm just gonna pull up my notepad. So this is just a very short script that I got from ChatGPT. It's about AI doctors. So I'm just gonna copy it, paste it right there, and then the title is gonna be this one. Let me check the title right here if it's still here. So the title would be this one, AI doctors. And basically I got this from ChatGPT. And then once you're satisfied with your script, simply click on proceed on this button right here. And then once clicking that one, you'll arrive on this templates library. So wait for it to load up. It will take around only a 10-second load up. So this is going to be the templates library. You have 2 choices, by the way. You have templates library and my templates right here where you don't have your saved templates just yet. So let's focus on templates library and look for the specific topic or specific subject that gathers our topic. So for this one, since my title is AI doctors, I'm gonna go with science. Click on that one and I'm gonna choose an aspect ratio of 16.9. So once you choose an aspect ratio, you'll be directed here where they're gonna prepare your video. So welcome back. Pictory just had generated our video. And right now, if you're familiar with Canva, this is much like the user interface of Canva. So as you can see, we have scenes here, we have intro scene, scene 1, scene 2, and so on and so forth. By default, Pictory will give you some video backgrounds and caption of your video. So if you're creating a faceless video, Pictory is the one for you to save up much time. As you can see right here, if I'm not gonna edit it as it is, I'm gonna just click on download and upload it to my YouTube. I just made that in a mere 10 minutes. Rather than the one being made manually, that will take around hours and even days, right? So please pay your attention on the left section here. We have story, visuals, audio, text, elements, styles, branding, and format. So each one here has a specific scene, right? As you can see, whatever I click here from scene 1 to scene 10, the right side is going to be the preview. So for example, I want to change the visual of scene 1. Instead of a girl reporting here, I can just look for a visual over on this section and look for a specific scene that suits my caption. For example, my caption is welcome. Today we're dividing into a game changer of healthcare AI doctors. So with this one, how about let's type in robot AI, or rather robot doctors. I'm just gonna look for a visual that match my caption. So if you're familiar with Canva, this is much like looking for an element or just any visuals, right? So right now, as you can see, there are crown. This is for premium plan. So since we only have a free trial plan as of now, we can only choose videos or visuals that doesn't have those crown. So for example, this one, I think this suits my perfect need, an AI doctor. I'm just gonna simply click on it. Click on it right there, and you'll see it will change my video. Now this is the new background video of my scene 1. It's perfect for my caption if you're gonna ask, because it's gonna be an AI doctor taking care of an elderly. So you can choose your visuals here. Again, if you have a paid account, it's perfectly good to choose for a lot of visuals here. So going on the next section that calls texture, you can edit it if you don't want a video. For example, you want it as a plain background or color background, you can do so here. Have fun on that section. Also, if you have a specific video that you want to upload here, simply upload here and then download it on this section that says my uploads, right? Recent is basically just choosing on the recent videos you've used for. And that being said, with this one, I think I'm gonna go with scene 1. Let's move over to audio. And then with this one, we don't have an audio yet applied because this is gonna be by default. I want mine in a bit of a voiceover. So I'm gonna go with the free plans here. I have Aiden, Ari, Arya, Arthur. I think I'm gonna go with Arthur. Click on apply. And this will take around 2 minutes to prepare. I'll get back to you once it's here. So this is gonna be the sample right now. Let's try playing it and listening to it, right?
Diving into a game changer in healthcare, AI doctors. Stay tuned to uncover how these digital marvels are reshaping medicine. AI doctors leverage vast medical data, using machine learning to analyze patient records, symptoms, and treatments.
Now, how cool is that, right? If I'm satisfied with this one, actually, I can now simply download this and upload it on my YouTube channel as it is. As you can see, the caption is flawless, the voiceover is flawless. So, I can just simply download it and upload it on my YouTube channel, right? By simply clicking that download button right there. However, if you're not still satisfied with the caption, you can just simply click on text here and then click the specific text you want to edit. So for example, I'm going to go back to the audio. I want to edit this on scene 1, this specific text. So I'm just going to double click. And then I'm going to just change the font type or font style over here. So for example, I'm going to use Caprissimo or Caprasimo. Change the font size over here. I'm going to go with 36. And then I'm just going to change the alignment a little bit. So as you can notice right there, this is real-time edit on scene 1. And there is this button that says apply position to all scenes. This means whatever I did on scene 1, if I click here, it will simply copy whatever I did, including font size and font style, throughout all of my scenes. So let's try it out. Now as you can see right there, from scene 1 up to my last scene, which is gonna be scene 15 or scene 14, that font size, font style, and even alignment has been copied. Try clicking it more than once to be sure, okay? So a little bit more information for you if you choose on audio and go over my uploads right there. I have here my own voiceover that I made on 11 Labs. However, this voiceover is under Santa Claus because it's the Christmas season, right? So I can simply click on apply and then it will choose a current scene. So the idea here is that you cannot use the voiceover or whatever voiceover we choose on all video, because that is for paid plan users. However, I want to show it to you. If I apply it in current scene, I'm gonna click it, and this will take around 2 minutes to 5 minutes. I'll get back to you once it's here.
Title: AI Doctors, Revolutionizing Healthcare. Welcome. Today, we're diving into a game changer in healthcare: AI doctors.
Now I know you've just heard Santa Claus saying that scene 1, right? It's pretty awesome since I've used 11 Labs on VoiceOver and I incorporated it on Pictory. So I've used 2 AI tools to generate that specific output. So might check it out if you want to check out how to use 11 Labs. I have a video about it, so please check it out. Now for example, I'm satisfied with this one. Everything is good. I don't want to change anything anymore. I can simply click on download button right here and choose as a video file. And this will take around 2 minutes to 5 minutes, and I'll get back to you once it's here. So right now, that video is being generated in progress on the background, so I can further discuss what's happening here. So I'm just gonna wait for this to finish. As you can see, it's on 92%. And by the way guys, I did not exceed the limit for free trial, because for free trial, I think if you exceeded 15 or 10 minutes, you need to pay the exact plan version before generating the video. So I have a workaround for you, or a little tip. Before generating that video, for example, you have a 15 to 20 minutes video, right? Instead of buying the plan as of now or right away and generating that specific video, I suggest click it first and store it as a draft. You'll see it on this section on my projects. And then once you have decided or fully decided you need that video ASAP, simply buy the initial plan for the less, or rather the basic plan, and then simply generate which kind of draft you need. So you don't have that pressure of generating everything at that moment, right? So these are the videos I have on my projects. They are all generated by the way, but they are under 10 minutes, so I did not need to pay for any plan. Anyway, that's my tip for you. Before generating it, store everything on my projects first. Anyway, that's how you use Pictory AI to generate videos. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.